Hey everyone, welcome to the Tenorshare PDNob channel. You have a scanned PDF, an invoice, a financial report, a table of data, and you need those numbers in Microsoft Excel. You try to copy and paste, but it's a complete mess. The columns are scrambled, numbers are in the wrong cells, and the formatting is destroyed. That's because a scanned PDF is just a picture. Excel can't understand the data inside it. In this video, I'll show you two simple ways to convert scanned PDFs to Excel without losing formatting. We'll cover a built-in method for certain files, and then a powerful tool that works perfectly for any scan. Let's turn that static image into editable data. First, let's try the method you might already have, Microsoft Excel itself. This works best if your PDF is not a scan, but a digital file created from Word or Excel, where the text is already selectable. If your text isn't selectable, you can take a screenshot. Open Excel in Office 365 if you don't have Excel 2021 or later. Go to the Data tab, click Get Data, choose from File or Image. Browse to your file and select it. The file will load and a navigator window will pop up, showing all the tables Excel has detected inside. You can preview them, select the one you want, and click Load. You can even click Transform Data to open Power Query and clean things up further. The pro is, it's built right into Excel and works well for native PDFs. The major con? If your file is a scanned or image-based PDF, Excel likely won't detect any tables at all, and this method will fail. That's where our next tool comes in. To handle scanned PDFs, you need OCR, optical character recognition. This is where Tenorshare PDNob excels. The process is straightforward. Open PDNob on your PC and import your scanned PDF file. You can just drag and drop it. Before converting, make sure to enable the OCR feature, although the software automatically recognizes the scanned PDF in most cases. Click to perform OCR. This step tells the software to analyze the image, recognize all the text, numbers, and most importantly, the table structures. Once the processing is complete, you simply choose Export to Excel. PDNob will then generate a new, fully editable Excel sheet where the data is placed into proper rows and columns, preserving the original layout and formatting as closely as possible. You can then go further to edit and reformat the Excel sheet contents. So, to recap and compare, Microsoft Excel's built-in import is perfect for text-based PDFs that already contain recognizable table data. But when you're dealing with the real challenge, scanned documents, printed reports, or image-based files, you need OCR. Tenorshare PDNob shines in this scenario, accurately recognizing text and table layouts, so you don't have to retype anything manually. Both methods can save you immense time, depending on the type of file you start with. If this guide saved you from hours of manual data entry, please give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For a link to try PDNob, check the description below. Thanks for watching.